Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily insert external references as blocks. Let's examine the external reference insertion feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on External Reference Insertion. Select the object set as an external reference in the drawing, and then press Enter. You can see the transparency of the selected object change, as it is inserted as a block. After selecting the object, if you look at the Properties window, it is indicated as a block reference. This way, you can easily convert from external references to blocks with a click. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to insert external references as blocks. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.